All right, we're back at it Monday morning. Hope everybody enjoyed the weekend. We got a snowy start here in Chicago. We've also got a bit of an icy start in the markets. Markets down across the board. More weakness as it continues from last week. Things intensifying a bit with Russia, Ukraine. Where we're seeing the big action this morning is in oil. Oil WTI broke north of $130 a barrel this morning. It's up about 5% right now, so we're down off of the highs. Trading right now at $121 a barrel. Again, that's a 5% move. That's putting a lot of pressure on a number of markets, notably stock market. Dow Jones was down 500 at one point. We're off the lows, down about 200 right now. FX, we're seeing significant dollar strength against the euro. Where we're seeing weakness is the currencies like the Aussie, which are energy-backed currencies or currencies that tend to move in a lockstep in a lot of ways with energy. So seeing strength in the Canadian dollar, seeing strength in the Aussie dollar. Gold was up above $2,000 an ounce. We're off those highs. We're right around $19.85 right now. So we're seeing a lot of volatility again this morning. We've got another action-packed week. We've got CPI data coming out on Thursday. We've also got European Central Bank meeting on Thursday. And then again, we've got the Fed meeting next week, but really everything right now hinging off what's coming out of Russia, Ukraine. So, all right, folks, strap in. It's going to be another busy week. Let's trade some price action. Stay warm. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.